In this segment, you will learn how to replace a roof panel using Fusor 108B. Benefits of using Fusor 108B for this application include improved cycle time, reduction of noise, vibration, and harshness, NVH, lifetime guarantee.
To section the roof panel, begin by marking a cut line 2 inches from the upper edge of the roof panel and the front and rear glass. Along the sides, mark a cut line 1.5 to 2 inches from the outer edge to allow for a bond surface. This may include vertical and horizontal surfaces. Once you have marked the cut lines, cut out the roof panel at the sides with an air saw, then use an air chisel to separate. Caution must be taken not to damage any structure below the roof skin. The panel will most likely be attached to reinforcing ribs with a foam adhesive. If necessary, use a heat gun to warm the roof panel and remove it from the foam adhesive. If foam is present, be sure to leave it intact for proper installation of the new panel. With the roof panel removed, grind all paint, primer, and surface rust from the edges where Fusor 108B adhesive will be applied. If there is a galvanized coating, be sure to grind to the bare steel. Next, remove any E-coating or galvanized coating in the bond area of the new roof panel with an angle grinder. The bond area is the portion of the new panel that will contact the roof structure mating flanges. When sectioning, prepare the new panel by removing the front and rear pinch weld areas. Cut at least 1/4 of an inch down from the top surface of the new roof panel. Then use a hammer and dolly to remove this flange between the upper edges of the front and rear glass. Pre-bevel the new panel edges to less than 10 degrees and taper the beveled edges for a smooth transition. Pre-fit the new panel to ensure proper fit. Prior to applying the adhesive, clean the bond surfaces of dust and debris using compressed air. Now you are ready to install the new roof using Fusor 108B. It is important to note that prior to using any two-component adhesive, seam sealer, or foam, dispense a small amount of material from the cartridge to ensure an even flow of both components. Then attach a mixing tip and dispense a small amount of material until uniformly mixed. This is a key step in all repairs. If foam is present, begin by applying Fusor Factory Match Urethane Sealer Adhesive, stock number 800EZ, to the reinforcing bows. Fusor 800EZ has an open time of 1 to 2 hours, so you'll have plenty of time to complete the roof installation. Next, apply a 3/8 inch to 1/2 inch bead of adhesive to all prepared edges. Depending on your fit situation, additional adhesive may be needed in certain areas. Keep in mind that Fusor 108B adhesive has a 40 to 50 minute open time at 70 degrees Fahrenheit or 21 degrees Celsius. Higher or lower temperatures will alter work times for adhesives. Properly position the new roof panel. Once positioned, do not pull away from the vehicle. If repositioning is needed, slide the roof panel. This maintains proper contact between the roof panel and flanges. Next, clamp the panel into position tightly, using even pressure. The glass beads in the adhesive prevent overclamping. In areas where clamps won't reach, use sandbags or other weights to hold the roof in place. Apply screws or rivets in hard-to-clamp areas. After securing the panel, force the adhesive to the proper thickness by pushing down all along the front and rear edges. This will ensure a tight bond line. Use even, steady pressure when pushing down along the unclamped areas, and never bump the panel down. If the roof was sectioned, use a flat blade screwdriver to gently set the 1/4 inch drop area along the top of the glass. Remove the excess adhesive with an acid brush or dry rag. Allow adhesive to dry for 1.5 to 2 hours. Then remove the clamps and weights and grind the excess adhesive with 36 or 50 grit discs. For an undetectable repair, apply a fiber-filled body filler to the section seam. Next, apply a skim coat of conventional body filler. Allow to cure and rough sand. Once the adhesive fully cures, sand, then prime and refinish according to the paint manufacturer's recommendations.
This completes the roof panel sectioning procedure using Fusor 108B. For more information, visit www.lord.com/Fusor. Call 877-ASK-LORD or contact your local Fusor distributor.